Oh, he can't get it to work, huh?
We need to go not on the bridge.
Not on the bridge? Okay. It looks cool with those big buildings in the background, though. At the end of our trip, we had a few days in Seoul before flying home. On Tuesday, we took a bus to Seoul Forest Park. I had seen pictures of this playground online and figured the kids would get a kick out of the big slides. There was a group of preschool kids there too. They were really cute. Seoul Forest covers quite a large area and consists of several different sections, including this water play area with a couple of Archimedes screws, and this bridge with hanging steps. He liked the rabbits. You can buy some food to feed the deer, but the machine only gives out a certain amount in one day to avoid overfeeding. There wasn't any left when we got there. Seoul Forest is a lovely place to walk around and explore with your family or with a friend. In the evening, we went back to Insadong and went to Samjikil, a shopping center that spirals up 4 stories. At the top, we got a waffle shaped like a poop emoji. It's just like the goldfish that you have your burger. Show it to Dad.
Hope it doesn't taste like it looks. All right, what does it taste like? Bread. Well, what's inside it?
Really? We met up with Kim Sang-young, a friend from my mission, and got some dinner together.
어떻게 먹는지 아시죠? 네.
네.
식초 여자 사용하는 거 알죠?
많이 먹어봤어요.
많이 먹었어요?
You like that, Andy? 좋아요? Okay.
아니 손으로
네. 손으로 많이 먹어요.
손으로 많이 먹고 있어요?
사미님.
아마 내 생각에 앤디 인디안. 인도 사람은 손으로 이렇게
맞아요.
먹죠.
인도 사람은 그렇게 먹어요.
오른손으로
네.
먹어야 되는데.
네. 좋아요. 재밌게요. 색깔이 편해요. 못 보세요.
웃겼네요.
재밌어요. In Insadong, you can get dragon's beard candy, which used to be made for kings. The guys who make it are fun to watch.
Hello.
Hello.
show you how to make it. Hand making traditional candy. This is made of honey and rice.
Alright, you gotta watch this, Kate. This is the cool part.
And mix up four. One more four. This powder cornstarch and stretch. Stretching. We'll make 16,000 strings. Stretching. One string. Two strings.
Okay, watch, Andy. Watch this.
네. 두 번 안 보여드려요. 네. 32, 64, 4,000, 8,000.
8196.
Final last 16,000 strings. Stretch. Wow. Looks like my grandmommy hair. Next step, come on. Cutting.
아무리 뭐라 감이 없어요.
Korea speaking many goodie.
먹어봐야 돼요, 진짜. 로링. 야미.
미션 커플리.
와.
먹어봐야 된다.
그럼요. 야미한지 아닌지 먹어봐야지. 한번 먹어봐야지.
안좀 제가 먹을게요.
아이, 앤디 주세요. Carry on.
No, it says nope.
Hang on, Kate. I wanna get the video of you. Okay.
Tell me when.
Well, go ahead. It's going. I just don't want you to get too close. How is it?
상온 한
It's like cotton
잔이에요.
candy.
골라보세요.
Very interesting.
It's good?
그러면 세개 주시고.
땅콩 아몬드 몰라요. 아몬드 한국말 없어요?
아몬드.
이것은 신단이나 대전이지요 아이고.
We went over to Jogyesa for a few minutes. This was the only temple that we got to see at night. Kate thought it was really pretty with the lanterns all lit up.
가서도 건강하고
네,
행복하고
네.
앤디 잘 키우고
네.
케이트 잘 키우고
네.
잘 인내하고
해야 돼요. 맞아요.
오늘 즐거웠습니다. 또 와요.
감사합니다. 그래요. 우리 집으로도 놀러 오세요.
놀러 갈게요.
그래요. 오케이.
The parents were the only ones with the eggs. Really?
Oh, yeah. Hang on. I'm sure Dad will give you his egg because he doesn't like egg. Huh?
보통은 저렇게 주지 않는데
그래요?
많이 줬어요.
너무 좋아요.
Thanks for watching.